881 chainsaw took quite a bit of time and may have disturbed the neighbors a bit. However, with the superior power of this saw, it won't take too long to get the job done, and the end result will definitely be worth all the effort. Removing the tree near the house required careful planning so as not to cause any risk to everything around. Amazingly, the tree was felled quickly and neatly. An old teak tree is cut with a Style MS 881 chainsaw, the best quality tool in the wood industry. With its strength and sharpness, with just one cut, the chainsaw cut down the tree smoothly and accurately. It not only highlights the natural beauty of wood, but also creates high-quality products. To clear an overgrown area like this with a harvester is impossible because of the uneven terrain and complex vegetation. Chainsaws become the right choice because of their ability to work quickly and can take down even the toughest trees. Thanks to this powerful chainsaw, he can cut such a large pile of wood by himself, quickly responds to large amounts of firewood for winter heating. With a 24-inch long saw blade, he was very satisfied because he could easily cut a large tree. When we hear the sound of the chainsaw and feel the vibration when sawing wood, we can see its power. These characteristic sounds and vibrations are indicative of the machine's power and performance, and a testament to its ability to handle wood sawing work powerfully and efficiently. Watch the MS461 chainsaw in action, cutting through logs like a hot knife in butter. Its power and performance make every cut easy and fast, helping users get the job done efficiently. This is the largest oak tree he has ever faced with this Style 661C chainsaw. With the power and reliability of his machine, he succeeded in felling this giant oak tree, demonstrating patience and expert skills in the timber industry. With the great power of chainsaws, I am sure it will bring you the following satisfying moments.
This exceptional chainsaw renowned for its unparalleled speed and potency, revolutionizes the logging industry by spotlighting cutting-edge technology for swift wood processing, efficient and precise even in cold conditions. The Legend chainsaw, designed with precision engineering and cutting-edge technology, boasts an impressive length of 105 centimeters. This specialized tool is meticulously crafted for the efficient and effective cutting of substantial logs that are both large and long in size. With an incredible cutting rate, this chainsaw not only accelerates timber processing, but also minimizes labor requirements, presenting a revolutionary solution for forestry and lumber industries. Witnessing a chainsaw in action is an interesting sight, demonstrating the combination of advanced technology and workers' technique in using the machine. This is a basic tree cutting technique for beginners. It can control the direction of the tree's fall. He just bought this Makita E7900 for $1,500. Let's see how it works. If you find these saws working effectively, please subscribe to our channel to motivate yourself to create more interesting videos.
Speeds of up to 15,000 RPM. CNC machines are capable of creating sharp and detailed lines, providing extremely precise results, and ensuring each detail is engraved perfectly and beautifully. Carving a giant crown with a CNC machine is a challenging project and requires talent and patience. He invested a lot of time and effort into this project, and the results have amazed everyone. The final product is not only beautiful and sharp, but also brings in a significant source of income for him. Wood turning has become an indispensable part of his life for more than 2 decades. Even though the lathe has gone through many years, it still retains its incredible strength and durability. He demonstrated his proficiency and skill by making elaborate wooden trays on his lathe. Transforming the laburnum log into the shape of a hollow gourd is a clear testament to his talent and dexterity in wood art. Through careful and delicate sculpting, he created a unique and attractive piece. Bakshi's master machine is an effective solution for producing baby cradles and processing details from plywood. The Master 6-axis CNC router model, it offers high flexibility and precision in the manufacturing process, meeting the strict requirements for the size and shape of the baby crib. Using a rotating CNC lathe to make wood turnings provides a fun and unique experience. During work, the flying wood dust creates a feeling of excitement and vitality, making the crafting process even more special. They received an order to mill a door panel and had to duplicate the exterior appearance of the door panel in the customer's photo. In this task, the milling process is performed on a CNC milling machine, ensuring high accuracy and precision in the production process. The final product truly satisfied the customer. In the process of making wooden door arches, the use of a tilt router helps create curved moldings that fit existing moldings flexibly and accurately. This allows the creation of soft and natural curved details on the surface of wooden doors easily. A 12-axis CNC machine combined with Paolono Bakshi's double jet machine is being used to process wooden chairs, bringing high efficiency and precision. With an integrated work tool, this machine allows the processing of chairs from different angles and shapes flexibly and efficiently. This makes the chair-making process known as chair dancing because it is truly beautiful and enchanting. It's amazing to see the Bakshi Master machine processing round chair backs. Equipped with a Master Model 6-axis CNC work center and 2 independent work tables, this machine offers flexibility and high performance in the production process. The ability to operate simultaneously on 2 independent workbenches helps optimize time and enhance mass production while ensuring accuracy and uniformity in every product detail. every moment becomes an opportunity to explore the art of woodworking, celebrating the essence of wood in every aspect. Join us in discovering the unparalleled precision and versatility of these advanced technologies in the following video. Looking at the majestic mountains before our eyes, we can feel the ruggedness of the terrain, where the loggers have to work. They have to face high altitudes, harsh weather and dangerous risks in the process of cutting down ancient trees hidden inside the deep forest. However, despite the difficult challenges, their patience and skill have produced amazing results, contributing to the sustainable exploitation and protection of wood resources. The sharp saw helps him cut trees easily, however. With the blade design not being as long as the diameter of the tree, he has to come in quite close contact with the tree when working. Instead of having to suffer sawdust dust when sawing this giant tree, he should wear I was truly amazed when I entered the field of woodworking excellence with wood CNC machines, wood engraving machines, and lathes. Join us in discovering the unparalleled precision and versatility of these advanced technologies in the following video. Milling canoe using KUKA robots is a big step forward in model manufacturing technology. They created a nearly 5-meter long mold for a canoe out of MDF, a popular material in the model making industry. The total weight of this model is up to about 500 kilograms, showing the ability to operate and bear large loads of KUKA robots during work. I was really impressed with the production process of the Lathe chair, a unique work of art in the field of solid wood furniture that won a major award. From the choice of wood to the exquisite craftsmanship, every step in the production process is performed with respect and care. The latest chair is not only a piece of furniture, but also a symbol of creativity and artistic spirit in the woodworking industry. The CNC machine is operating flexibly and efficiently, milling a model car with high precision. Extremely long work cycles do not stop the machine, allowing continuous and efficient production. This ensures that the final result achieves perfection in the field of couture and modeling, meeting the requirements of quality and detail. The smooth and uninterrupted operation, with the elimination of unnecessary braking, helps ensure the best working performance without harming CNC machine parts. More flexible and softer movements not only improve product quality but also extend the service life of CNC machines, helping to optimize production operations. Sigma 5-axis CNC milling machine with load console automatic positioning option. In fact, milling 2 symmetrical wooden furniture parts on one table will increase the efficiency of the produced parts several times during double table processing. Carving the Atlantic pillars with CNC machines is an advanced and sophisticated technological process. With a mask to protect his health and ensure safety during work. After cutting the tree with the 070 chainsaw, the logger will process or split the tree into two parts 4 meters long. These wooden parts will be used as construction materials to build houses or other structures. A table factory is buying this old rain tree to use as raw material. Thanks to the technology and power of the chainsaw, the rain tree was taken down promptly, ensuring enough raw materials for the next processing process. This not only helps optimize production but also increases efficiency and saves time for the factory. Rainwood is popular in the manufacturing of high-end furniture and art decorations, thanks to its natural beauty and good mechanical properties. So his daily job is to harvest rainwood, a process that requires technique and patience to bring the best materials to his workshop. This yellow cedar is considered a dangerous tree and is posing a threat to logging at this location. It currently has internal rot and is missing the top, increasing the risk of collapse and harm to workers. Fortunately, thanks to experience and the assistance of a chainsaw, the tree was successfully felled, reducing the potential danger during the logging process. He is cutting down a large tree in his garden. Although he felt regretful about having to remove the tree, he realized that he needed to create space to build his new house. This decision is not just about developing a new living space, but also about careful consideration of the surrounding environment and personal development process.
There it goes.
Cutting down the oldest Trimbezi tree in the garden using a style MS.
This type of wood has been damaged and is only used for firewood in the winter. To ensure safety when cutting wood, we should wear such protective equipment. In the competitive realm of the woodworking sector, chainsaws have emerged as trailblazers, transforming the industry's perspective on efficiency and productivity. This saw is operating in large wood cutting mode. Its speed is 10,500 revolutions per minute. It can be seen that it has a super fast cutting speed. in cold places. Cutting wood and storing firewood are the most important things. Without them, it will be difficult to get through the winter. In the realm of large-scale wood cutting, this chainsaw's remarkable speed establishes the industry benchmark, substantially decreasing processing durations and enhancing overall productivity. With 40 years in the profession, cutting these difficult pieces of wood has become simple. This machine is old and has been operating for 7 years, but its effectiveness is still very good. As we witness the incredible capabilities of the world's fastest chainsaws, their impact on the forestry industry is undeniable, heralding a new era in efficiency and sustainability. Turn wood. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel to support me.
Thanks for watching our video until the end. What impressed you the most? If you have any suggestions, please leave a comment below. We appreciate your feedback to enhance our future videos. Don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe for the latest updates from us. Thank you very much and see you soon.